Snowman by Shel Silverstein. 'Twas the first day of springtime, and the snowman stood alone, as the winter snows were melting, and the pine trees seemed to groan. "Ah, you poor sad smiling snowman, you'll be melting by and by," said the snowman. "What a pity! For I'd like to see July. Yes, I'd like to see July, and please don't ask me why. But I'd like to, yes, I'd like to. Oh, I'd like to see July." Chirped a robin just arriving. Seasons come and seasons go, and the greatest ice crumble when it's flowers time to grow. And as one thing is beginning, so another thing must die, and there's never been a snowman who has ever seen July. No, they never see July, no matter how they try. No, they never ever, never see July. But the snowman sniffed his carrot nose and said, "At least I'll try." And he bravely smiled his frosty smile and blinked his coal-black eye. And there he stood and faced the sun, a-blazin' from the sky. And I really cannot tell you if he ever saw July. Did he ever see July? You can guess as well as I, if he ever saw July.